Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. 2018 OL paper, 8th question discussion today. In this question, biological parts, physics parts, all have been mixed up. It is 2018 8th question. A says, cockroach and gecko can be identified as two common organisms living in the homes of Sri Lanka. In classification, cockroach and gecko have been classified into two main groups of animals. What is the main internal feature that has been used for this classification? It is the vertebral column. Vertebral column or backbone. Those who have backbone are vertebrates. Those who don't have backbones are invertebrates. Question number 1 answered. Question number 2. A part. Cockroach is an arthropod. Apart from having joined appendages, state another morphological feature belonging to the group of those organisms. Here, there are several morphological features that have been given to you in the textbook. Okay, it will take me to write those things, but I will tell you which you can tell as morphological features, and that is very, very important. All the features are not morphological features. Okay, for example, here you are mentioned living in marine, freshwater, terrestrial habitats. No, they cannot be considered. Okay, one you can tell they have segmented, body is segmented. Okay, that you can point at. Segmented body, that you can point. Formation of tegma, that you can point. Chitinous exoskeleton, that you can point. Right? Chitinous exoskeleton you can point. Like that, only certain things you can point. Okay. Your examiner has not selected wings as the answer, but if you ask, because that is not unique. Now you might ask, sir, what about bilateral symmetry? It's morphology. No, yes, but it's not morphology. Yeah, if you can consider as a morphological one, the thing it is, unique ones they are expecting, right? Tegma, chitinous cuticle, like some unique ones they are expecting. Okay, right. So those are the answers you have to consider for A. So I'm not writing the answer. I'm not writing the answer. I have shown you the answer. Hope you will pick up. And B, gecko is a reptile. What is the specific feature? Specific feature in this group of organisms as an adaptation to the terrestrial life. So once you again go to reptilia, okay, reptilia is classified as most well-adapted organisms for terrestrial life. One of the super adaptation is dry skin. One of the super adaptation is dry skin. Dry skin should be your first choice. If you ask me, I will tell respiration by lungs, pentadactyl limbs also can be selected. But the best answer, the first and best answer, even internal fertilization is a adaptation for terrestrial life. But the best answer is dry skin, keep in the mind. Okay, right. So passing that, we are coming to the third question. Third question. In the skeleton of these two organisms, state a difference in the way it is positioned, a similarity by function. Okay? In cockroach, it is positioned outside the body. It is positioned outside the body. In gecko, it's an internal skeleton, so positioned inside the body. So that is a difference. Similarity in function. What the function a skeleton can do? A skeleton can give protection. A skeleton can give support. This is the basic function of any skeleton. Okay, it can give protection. Okay, rather than protection, it can the best answer will be support. Support is done by the skeleton. So that is going to be the third part, A question and the B question. Coming to the B part now. Fungi are classified as a separate kingdom. How does fungal cell wall differs from plant cell wall? Roman number 1. Fungal cell wall made of chitin. Plant cell wall made of cellulose. That's the answer. What is the mode of nutrition of fungi? Fungus is a heterotrophic organism. So it has a heterotrophic nutrition. So if you write heterotrophic nutrition, it will be well sufficient answer. In this book, you have been mentioned saprophytic nutrition also, but all the fungi are not saprophytic, but all the fungi are heterotrophic. So heterotrophic will be the best answer for this. Coming to question number C. Scientific name of the paddy plant is written as Oryza sativa. As illustrated in this, write 2 rules adopted when naming an organism scientifically. The rules are many. You are expected to write 2 rules. You are expected to write 2 rules in binomial nomenclature. Once again, I am coming to this. These are the rules. Okay. It is composed of 2 epithets. That is one you can say. Okay. First one is going to be a name, and second one is an epithet, specific epithet. The names are written in Latino Greek, and the first letter of the generic epithet is capital and other letters are simple. When handwritten, it should be underlined, and when printed, it should be italicized. Out of these 5 points, any 2 points you can write, my children. Okay, I am not writing here, I am showing here this. Okay, according to the convenience, we have to do those things. Otherwise, it will be taking a longer time to write and tell you these things. D part, it is stated that the voltage of motor car battery is 12 volt. This battery comprises 6 electric cells, voltage of each is 2 volt. Okay, Roman number 1. Using circuit symbols, draw how 6 cells are combined to make a battery. One cell, another cell, another cell, another cell, another cell, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There it is. Check my unit number 19 tube. In that one, I have asked such kind of a question at you, not because of past paper. Right, that is Roman number 1. Roman number 2. The 2 headlamps of the motor car are identical, and the figure illustrates how they are connected to the battery. Okay, question number simple A. Name how the 2 lamp bulbs are connected. They are connected in parallel. They are connected in parallel method. First answer connect, finished. Show in diagram the other way of connecting the 2 lamps. So you will be expected to draw the whole diagram. Okay, here the battery mean, I think we have to completely draw the real battery they have given, because that is the one they have drawn. No? Otherwise, we have to draw that 6 cell structure. Okay, here comes the switch, and the bulbs should be connected in series manner like this. Then the circuit should be completed. So this is the expected picture, series connection. But don't draw only the bulb. Don't draw only the bulb. Okay, but sometimes they might give you marks for the bulb also. Okay, this kind of drawing also you will get marks. Okay, my recommendation is to draw like this. That is better choice. And the C part. What is the advantage of connecting the 2 lamps bulb as shown in the figure? When one bulb spoils, other one will continue to work. When one bulb is blown off, the other will continue to work. Okay, right. And the second, brightness of bulbs will be greater than series connection. That you can write. Third, you can write equivalent resistance is low. That also you can write. That also you can write. Question number 3. Calculate the equivalent resistance of the two lamps in the bulb in the figure. So one bulb's resistance is given to you as 2 ohm. So you are going to apply the formula 1 over R is equal to 1 over R1 plus 1 over R2. This is part 2 questions. So better you have to write the formula and do it. So 1 over R is equal to 1 over 2 plus 1 over 2. So 1 over R is equal to 2 over 2. So that is equal to 1. So R is equal to 1 ohm. So methodically, gradually, you have to make this answer. And the 4th question. Find the electric current flowing through one lamp when the electric circuit is put on closing the key. Here, every bulb, this is the easy way. Every bulb gets the voltage. Every bulb gets the voltage of 12 volt. Okay, that is the speciality of parallel circuit. 12 volt battery mean first upper bulb also 12 volt it will get, down a bulb also 12 volt it will get. So V is equal to IR. I is equal to V upon R. 12 volt over 2 ohm equal to 6 ampere current. So 4th question answer is 6 amperes. 4th question answer is 6 amperes. Okay. The 5th question. Once you come to the 5th question, calculate the current flowing through other bulb. If one bulb has burned, its 6 ampere will not get affected. Down bulb, it will get the 12 volt, same voltage, same resistance, same ampere. Because the upper bulb is spoiled, one bulb is spoiled in parallel circuit, you cannot expect the other bulb is going to get more current. That won't happen. So that is the explanation to you on the 8th question. Now you are going to do the 9th question. Okay. In the 9th question, A part you can do. A part you can do. B part you don't do it because it is unit number 12. Now only you are studying it. Okay, not B part, that Roman, sorry. 9th question. 9th question. A part, Roman number 1 you can do. Okay, Roman number 2 you don't do it because it is the portion that you are going to study hereafter. Okay, in unit number 12. B part you do it. B part you do it. So skipping the Roman number 2, rest you complete, inshallah. tomorrow I will give you the discussion of it. Good luck. Good night.